I'm a big fan of Diffit, and in this video I'm going to show you how the content you create in a Diffit can be immediately put into Google Forms so you can share it with your students. The good news is there is a free option and a special offer right up until December the 20th. Let's get started. So I'm going to use a technology called Diffit, and you get access to the premium account for free until the 20th of December. I'm going to write in my topic, and I'm going to write here the solar system, and I'm going to choose level. We're going to do 10th grade, and I'm going to choose English, but this does work in other languages. And then I'm going to click on informational text, and I'm going to click on generate resources. Now Diffit will generate a whole range of resources for me. So you can see we've got some pictures here, we've got the text, we've got a summary, we've got key vocabulary, we've got some multiple choice questions, we've got some short questions and some discussion questions. Now, how do we convert this into Google Forms? Well, first of all, I'm going to add more multiple choice questions. So I'm going to click here and I'll choose comprehension. And I'm going to ask for 3 additional questions. So 3 additional questions have now been generated. I've now got 6 questions. Now to turn this into a Google form, I just click on this button. And when I click on this button, I can choose which elements I want to include in the Google form. I don't want the summary. I don't want the short answers. I'll be happy to have the image and the title, the vocabulary list. I don't want the open-ended prompts. I want the reading, and I want the multiple choice questions. I click on export. Now you do need to connect your Google account to Diffit. I've already done it. I click here and the Google form. So here is my Google form. I can scroll down. I've got an image. I've got the text, I've got the key vocabulary, which can be very useful for language teachers, and then I've got the multiple choice questions. Now students can play this activity. If I click on send, I choose the link, I can make the link shorter, I copy that link, and the students can then click on the link and do the activity. If you want more free videos on how to use technology in language teaching, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. There's loads of content, including a special section of AI videos. If you really want to follow my work, sign up to the newsletter. If you sign up to the newsletter, at the moment there is a free 14-part video course in how to use technology in language teaching, where I focus on most of the best free tools that are available. There are no tricks, and you get sent one video every 3 or 4 days.